I ruined my headlight. I used a product that I wasn't supposed to use to clean it, so now it's all foggy and horrible. You'll see it. So I ended up getting a new headlight, and it's incredibly easy to replace. So I thought I would show you. It's a very short video, very short tutorial. So let's get started. This is how it looks now. It's horrible. I'm also going to change the ring. I got one from Harley Davidson, so let's take that bolt out. You can use a regular screwdriver, and when you take it out, you're going to get that nut and just put them together so you don't lose them. Carefully remove the ring first. And next, let me show you the ring that I got. This I'm actually going to give away because it didn't fit my bike. But as you can see, the headlight has this plug in the back, and it should be super easy to just take the old one out and install the new one. I'm gonna put it down here, and let me show you how it looks inside. And you just gently pull that out. That didn't look gently, but you know what I'm trying to say. Goodbye, ugly headlight. And the new one, it's as easy as it looks. You just connect it and that's it. Before you put the headlight back in there, make sure this silver ring has those two little ears at the top, because I don't know if you can see the little bracket on the right side. That's gonna help the headlight stay in position. It won't wiggle around. Next, when it's time to put the headlight back in, make sure it's not upside down. There we go. Okay, after you put it on, you can remove the plastic. Well, I guess you can do it whenever you want. I just didn't want my fingerprints to be all over it. Next, we're gonna put the ring that I got from Harley Davidson. We're going to gently push that in, make sure it's in place, and make sure it's straight. After that, we're gonna go down here and grab that screw that we removed at the beginning, and that little nut is actually harder to put back on than it looks. But I recommend you to just hold it with your index finger, and that should be easy to screw back on. I think we can say that was a success. So now let's go put it to the test.